Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing day 5 of the 12 Days of Socks Marvel Advent Calendar. So we'll get straight into it. We'll open up the big window, guys, and then we'll find window number 5, the small one, first one in the middle row. And here we are. We have our day 5 sock, guys. So you got 2 shades of green there, and then you have your matching sock there. You've got the Marvel logo as well, which has been present on all the socks so far, which is cool to see. Alright guys, well that's everything included in today's window. So do let us know in the comments what you think, and if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. But for now, we're going to conclude this part of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave. Hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike. Once we get to the next milestone, we're doing the next giveaway, so do subscribe. It's running for that, and we'll catch you next time.